This is the giraffe exhibit at the Tulsa Zoo. Everybody knows giraffes. I'm not entirely sure which subspecies this one is, but there's just eating up there. And you can see there's Canada geese down on the ground, just chilling. And there's Asian elephants in the background. Their exhibit isn't fully ready to go to, though. And there's multiple giraffes. I'm up on a platform to look above. So there's even at least one baby giraffe somewhere. And it's a really cool exhibit. One of the best ones at the zoo, I think. So anyway, I'm Matthew the Wanderer. Until next time.